nearly 90 migrants died in Mediterranean boat accident. When their boat from Libya capsized, almost 100 migrants perished in the Mediterranean. Filippo Grandi, UN High Commissioner for Refugees, stated, "Another Mediterranean tragedy has claimed the lives of more than 90 individuals. 4 million refugees from Ukraine have been successfully housed by Europe. It must now examine promptly how to apply this to additional refugees and migrants in distress knocking at its doors." Many days ago, the overloaded boat carrying migrants departed Libya, according to the Doctors Without Borders or Medecins Sans Frontieres relief organization. Coordination offices in Rome and Malta were encouraged by the humanitarian organization to provide a secure haven for refugees who are still alive. In its annual report earlier this year, the Euro-Mediterranean Human Rights Monitor estimated that 1,864 migrants will die or vanish in 2021, compared to 1,401 in 2020.